Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Riot Client is not opening or launching on your Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the task manager, and you have to click on the task manager right now and expand this up. So right now, if you find the Riot Client is running here, the first and foremost thing what you have to do is all about you have to go over to the Riot Client, right click over here and go for the end the task and remove the Riot Client if it is running. And apart from this, you can also search here, just cross check over here by typing Riot Client. If you find the Riot Client is also running over here, right click on it and go for end the task and remove the Riot Client from here as well. And once afterwards, you have to check with this one, followed by the next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to find the Riot Client in the desktop over here and right click on the Riot Client, go to show more options, go to the properties, go over here in the compatibility, and just make sure that you have put a check on both the boxes, disable full screen optimization, and also you put a check on the boxes run this program as an administrator. So if disable full screen optimization and run this program both is disabled, you have to enable this by checking on this and go for apply and go for OK. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to add the game to Windows security, the Riot Client. So to do, just go over here, search for the control panel and click on the control panel, and we have to go to system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, and right now go for allow napper feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and we need to navigate to the Riot Client. So first and foremost step, we need to check whether the Riot Client is added or not. So most probably, as you can see, the Riot Client is added, but there is one mistake with everyone happens here is that as you can see it is only checked on public, the private is blank. So that is why this issue is happening. So what you need to do is, in order to fix this up, just click on the change setting. So if the Riot Client is already added, all you have to do is just need to put a check on both the boxes over here on the Riot Client, on the private and public. So if it is not here, in some cases you will not be able to find the Riot Client. If that is the case, what we have to do, so what I'm going to do is let me remove this both from here and let me remove this from here as well. So in some cases, you will not be able to find the Riot Client. If that is the case, we need to add the Riot Client. So in order to add it, just click on add allow another app, go to the browse or directly go to this PC, go to local disk C, and right now you can see there is a folder for the Riot Client. Click on this one, there is a folder for the Riot Client, and you can click on this one and select this Riot Client services and you can click open and we can add it. And apart from this, there is one more shortcut. Just go over here in the Riot Client in the desktop, right click over here and go to show more options. Not over here, you can go to open file location, and right now as you can see, this is the installation folder, or this is the path where it is installed. So right now you have to close this, go back over here, just click on allow another app, click on the browse, or you can paste this particular one. Just click on the browse, and right now over here instead of this one, if this is not the case, just copy and paste this particular path which you copied right now, and you can press enter. That will take you to this particular folder itself once again, and you have to go for select this one and go for open, and you need to add it. So it is already added. As you can see, once the Riot Client is added, all you have to do is make sure one thing, that you put a check on both the boxes private and public. Once you're done with this one, just close this and we have to go back and you have to check. Next one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the CMD, and you have to make it is running as an administrator and go for yes. Right now we need to give a value, type few commands over here, because sometimes the Riot Client is not opening because it might be due to the issue with the network and all those things which can be fixed. So type ipconfig space / need to type flash DNS and you have to press enter. The next one is all about, we need to type netsh space winsock over here and you have to press reset. Now press enter. So make sure that you should be getting a message like it is successfully done for the reset the winsock catalog, and also it is done for the DNS resolver cache. Once afterwards, you have to close this, and most probably after this, you just need to go over here, click on the Riot Client and try launching the Riot Client, and most probably the Riot Client will be opening without any issue in these cases. So right now, as you can see, you give the permission for the Riot Client, and as you can see, the Riot Client is signed in and you're fine with it. Now you can play any of your favorite games like Valorant, League of Legends, etc. So I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye.